Right now, you're still typing like it's 2010. Every message, every email, every document, keyboards clicking, fingers moving, hours disappearing, while AI is literally ready to sit on your desktop and do the typing for you. Think about this for a second. How much of your day is actually spent thinking? And how much of it is just typing, not creating, not deciding, just moving your fingers from key to key? Now imagine a different workflow. Imagine if you could simply talk, and your computer understood you perfectly and did the rest. That's exactly what Speakly does. Speakly is an AI voice dictation app for Mac and Windows that lets you talk naturally, while it types up to 4 times faster than your fingers, directly inside the apps you already use. And that part matters. This isn't a separate editor. It's not a copy-paste tool. It doesn't break your flow. It works right where your cursor already is. So if you've ever thought, I wish I could just say this once and be done, this is that tool. In this video, I'll show you how Speakly can handle chats, emails, content creation, translations, multitasking, and even control AI agents, all with your voice. And by the end of this, typing everything manually is going to feel very outdated. Don't type. Just Speakly. Now, quick background, because this actually matters. Speakly is built by the same team behind Genspark, a serious AI workspace used by teams and professionals. So this isn't a gimmick. It's not just voice to text. It's designed as a real productivity layer that sits on top of your entire system. Here's the simple idea behind it. You press a shortcut, you speak, and Speakly types directly into whatever app you're using. Email, WhatsApp web, Notion, Google Docs, Discord, anywhere you can type, Speakly works. And here's the key difference. Unlike basic dictation tools that just dump raw text, Speakly actually understands how people speak. It cleans things up, removes filler words, fixes grammar, structures sentences, so it feels less like voice typing and more like having a smart assistant quietly polishing your thoughts as you talk. Getting started is refreshingly simple. You download Speakly for Mac or Windows and install it like any normal app. Once it's installed, it sits quietly in your menu bar or system tray. It's always available, but never in the way. During setup, you choose a keyboard shortcut, something comfortable, something easy to remember, something you can hit without thinking. This becomes your voice trigger. Wherever your cursor is, an email, a chat box, a document, you press that shortcut. Speakly wakes up, and you just talk. No switching windows, no modes, no friction. Let's start with the most instantly satisfying use case, chat messages. Open any chat app, WhatsApp web, Telegram, Discord, whatever you use every day. Put your cursor in the message box, hit the Speakly shortcut, and talk like you're sending a voice note. Maybe you're explaining a complicated idea. Maybe you're replying to a long message. Maybe you're just tired of typing with your thumbs. As you speak, Speakly types everything directly into the chat box. Clean, readable, properly spaced. You're watching your words appear in real time. A few seconds later, you hit send, and it looks like you just typed a long, thoughtful message at insane speed. Everyone else is still typing, "Wait, let me explain." And you've already explained everything. You didn't type faster, you just stopped typing. Now let's talk about email, where this really becomes a superpower. Open your inbox, pick a real email, click reply. Instead of carefully typing every sentence, press the Speakly shortcut and just explain your response out loud. You can pause, you can restart sentences, you can think as you speak. That's important because real thinking isn't linear. Speakly's AI automatically removes filler words, fixes grammar, and turns your messy spoken thoughts into a clean, professional email. When you stop talking, the draft is already there. You skim it, maybe adjust one line, add a closing sentence, and send. Do this a few times in a row, and you'll clear emails at a speed that honestly feels unfair. For busy people, this doesn't just save time, it saves mental energy, the kind that usually gets drained by writing emails all day. Now let's use Speakly for writing. Open Google Docs, Notion, Word, wherever you create content. Put your cursor in the document, press the shortcut, and just talk through your ideas. You don't need perfect wording. You don't need a polished structure. Just explain what you want. You can literally say something like, start with an intro about why typing is slow, then talk about voice workflows, then give a few real examples, and end with a strong takeaway. As you speak, Speakly turns that into structured paragraphs right inside your document. Instead of staring at a blank page, you instantly have a draft. Now you're editing, not struggling to begin. For creators, writers, students, and planners, this changes everything. Writing starts to feel like thinking out loud, instead of fighting the keyboard. Now let's break a language barrier. Imagine you think in English, but your teammate prefers Spanish. Normally, that means switching tools, copying text, translating, pasting, checking. With Speakly, you just speak naturally in English. On screen, your message appears directly in Spanish. Inside Slack, Discord, or whatever chat you're using. No switching tabs, no translator windows, no copy-paste. You stay comfortable. Speakly handles the translation quietly in the background. That's how communication should feel in a global world. Another underrated use case, multitasking. Picture this. You're walking, holding a coffee, pacing while thinking. Your hands are busy, but your mind is full of ideas. You open a Notes app, press the Speakly shortcut, and talk. Meeting notes, ideas, plans for the week, random thoughts you don't want to lose. Speakly captures your thoughts and turns them into structured text in real time. It's like having a personal scribe following you around all day, perfect for brain dumps, planning sessions, or catching ideas before they disappear. Now for the most powerful part, using Speakly to control AI tools. Open a Genspark tool, put your cursor in the prompt box, activate Speakly. Instead of typing a long, detailed prompt, you just describe what you want. For example, create a 10-slide presentation about how voice workflows boost productivity for startup founders. Speakly types the full prompt instantly. The AI generates the slides. You can do the same with images, documents, and other AI agents. At this point, you're not just dictating text, you're literally talking to your computer and watching it build things for you. That's a completely different way of working. So here's the real question. Why are you still typing everything by hand? With Speakly, you can chat faster, clear your inbox, draft content, translate live, multitask, and control AI tools, all using your voice. Once you get used to this workflow, typing everything manually feels slow, old, outdated. Try Speakly in your next work session. Don't type, just Speakly. So if you're ready to stop burning hours on the keyboard and start working at the speed you think, try this in your very next work session. Excited? You can download Speakly directly from the official Speakly website. When you sign up, you get 7 days of unlimited access to try full-power voice workflows with zero risk. And if you invite a friend, both of you get 30 days of unlimited transcription access, so you can upgrade your entire workflow together. If you want to try it out, just comment Speakly below and I'll DM you the link. Don't type, just Speakly.